I'm Ed Greatorex. I'm a Wiltshire Contracts Manager here at Upton Specialist Tree Services. We're here in Salisbury dismantling an ash tree that's been affected by Ash Dieback with our Magni 6.30 RTH. Got the Magni RTH 6.30 on site today, using a combination of the Woodcracker CS 7.50 and the hook on the Magni. We're going to dismantle the ash tree and make it safe for the road users. We chose Magni for the simple fact that it complies with all the necessary regulations, sort of above and beyond where it needs to be for us. That's really the driving force behind why we chose the machine. That and the top quality service that we got from the guys from the off. It's revolutionised our way of working. It's made us far more efficient dealing with Ash Dieback throughout the county of Wiltshire. We simply wouldn't go to another machine now. It's fantastic. The way that it deals with trees, it beggars belief. Definitely recommend it and have done to multiple other companies. I think it's simply the complete package, as it were. It's a Swiss Army knife with the hook and the West Tech and the man basket as well. We've been so pleased with the machine. From the first day that I walked into the Magni booth at the APF show in 2022, they've been so helpful and made the process so smooth. We're looking forward to maybe renewing this one over time and maybe adding a larger one to the fleet eventually.